Why is that? This is Censor Studio. We'll quickly bring you Middle East war news. After reports Iran's new supreme leader Mojtaba Khamenei was injured in the war, government advisor Youssef, who seeks to abolish the regime, said he is safe. Based on the circumstances, it seems he was injured but not killed. I will upload a video when more accurate information becomes available. This is Tel Aviv, Israel. These are Iranian ballistic missiles falling on Tel Aviv. This is Tel Aviv, Israel. It appears that the damage from Iranian missiles is severe. This is Israel. This is footage of cluster munitions launched from Iran flying toward Israel. This is Lebanon. A building in the Aisha Bakar area of Beirut, Lebanon was hit by Israeli forces. This is Beirut, Lebanon. An Israeli drone attacked a high-rise apartment in the Talet al-Kayat area of Beirut. Pro-Iranian militias in Iraq claim to have carried out 31 attacks against US forces in Iraq and nearby areas over the past day. The pro-Iranian armed groups claim to have carried out a total of 291 attacks over the past 12 days. The headquarters of a pro-Iranian militia located in northern Iraq was hit. According to a report by the New York Times, the United States is revising its plans in response to Iran's aggressive actions and is evacuating its embassies in the Middle East. The Iranian military stated that they will defend Iran's honor and dignity to the last man, even if it means shedding blood. Iran is reported to have laid fewer than 10 mines in the Strait of Hormuz. A container ship off the UAE coast was hit by an unknown projectile, and a stationary cargo ship was also attacked, causing a fire. Crew members are now evacuating. Canada has stated that it will absolutely not participate in the current Middle East war. Pakistan has said that it will join the war if its ally, Saudi Arabia, continues to be attacked. The United Nations Security Council will vote this afternoon on a Bahrain resolution condemning Iran's attacks on Arab countries. The proposed resolution calls for Iran to immediately halt its attacks on Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Jordan, and to end the use of proxy forces. If there are more updates, I'll make and upload a video. This video is finished. Thank you.